Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the San Miguel de Allende Secrets channel here on YouTube. And today we're going to be talking about an ancient, yummy holiday treat. As always, there's links in the descriptive box below if you need more information, including a link out to Amazon.com with all the best-selling books in the book series, San Miguel de Allende Secrets. Buñuelos are a symbol of good luck, manifested in fried dough, bearing a snowflake-like shape to be eaten while enjoying posadas and other holiday events. Recipes for buñuelos have been written down since the 2nd century BC and latched onto by the Moors, who brought the tasty treat to the Spanish, whom then floated it over to Mexico during the conquest. No less intellectual than the infamous 1600s feminists featured in the old 200 peso note, Sor Juana, included 3 buñuelo recipes in her books when not writing about, quote, God help the men who underestimate the intelligence of women. During colonial times, it was common for this dessert to be made in convents. In December evenings, nuns would gather at the doors of the convent with big trays of buñuelos to add to the holiday cheer. Wind buñuelos, those with holes, are featured here in San Miguel de Allende, a reminder to the indigenous belief that you didn't want the god of wind to linger, notice your baby, and take it with him. Best to always let the wind god pass on through, even in holiday treats. Many cultures adopted their own version of buñuelos in the Americas, resulting in recipes such as waffles, donuts, churros, and my southern favorite, funnel cakes. Buñuelos are different in that their consistency of the dough is lighter, crispier, and feature set holes. Buen provecho. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button and get automatic notifications of new videos that are released here on the San Miguel de Allende Secrets channel.